I'm happy to announce, to share with you how to use HighLevel's API version 2 to create custom fields, delete them, fill them programmatically. Let's do it. With Xano, it's easy. You build out your table with the name, the data type, and the options that you want. So for example, in the Glass service, it's a multi-option, and here in the options, I have all these options, and we'll see in a second how it all looks. So I have a custom function written in Xano that with a click of a button, I can create, update, and delete all of these custom fields. And let's do it. From this Postgres database, I'm going to use this information to create the custom fields. Let's do it. This is the function stack that I'm going to use that will create those custom fields in GoHighLevel. The function stack, this we can just throw into another workflow, another function stack, and run automations, whatever we like to do. And for this, I'm going to pass in the location ID, the GoHighLevel access token, and the session ID. Of course, I'm doing this manually right now, but ideally this will be all automated, done as needed, or when it's programmed. I'll explain this function set, what it does. So it queries all records from the custom fields, and the reason I'm using all records because I need all the rows in that database, and I'm naming it custom fields array. Then an array of the custom fields, looping through them, and then checking certain conditions, checking certain variables are null or empty, and then creating an object from the database, checking for errors. Once all that passes, then I have my custom fields object. I'm using another function within this function that adds the newly created custom fields into the database that I showed you at the beginning. I can delete all of them at once, or by name, or by any other field that I want. Right now, I'm going to delete all of them. See them get deleted. So when they're clicked, running the function, and it's running, and boom. So let's refresh. Okay, and if I go access, you can see additional info, all the custom fields have been deleted. Yeah, here we're going to pass the variable custom fields array and location ID. Let's do it. Let's create those custom fields again. The cool thing about having a database of your custom fields is you can easily and quickly recreate everything that you need. With a few clicks, I'm going to run this function, and then we'll go back to our GoHighLevel. Okay, the function stack took like 4 seconds to complete. The reason that it did not work, as I investigated, was that the token, access token, was not fresh enough. So let's refresh it. This time I got a success message. So let's refresh, reload, see what happens. Here the car features has all of these features that we entered, and there they are. Let's refresh. All the information is out. The car features here. The cost, this is generated by machine learning. 4 doors, make, model, eyeglass, service needed. So first, to create fields, this gives you all the information you need to create the custom fields in your account, sub-accounts. And Xano literally helps you make sense of all this, a lot of this information, to use this as is to create function stacks and API endpoints that makes this work fun and easy. And this tells you what it gets. These docs are not well developed, so if you want to use the custom fields, it doesn't list here the options, and not this, but just options lowercase. If you read the V1 docs, which are right here, it gives more information about custom fields and how to successfully use them. I would highly recommend that you use the endpoints available in the V2 version. However, at the same time, do reference the V1 docs, as you will be surprised that it's well more directed and information that's listed there is not here and that you can use in the V2. Also, if you would like to know more and how to use these, hit me up. I'm always sharing and learning.